Chilling. You were bed into it earlier. Yes, you are. Are you a good kitty? Choking on the lungs. Casually. Just like, you okay, bitch? What's going on, fool? You better be alive so you can feed me. Oh, he's a good kitty. He's a good kitty. I told you how I feel. Call an ambulance. Would you? Would you do that for me? No. I've lost interest in you. I'm gonna... I've lost interest in you. I'm going to die. Oh, holy sweet Jesus. And you were like, bloody hell! Bloody hell! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Christ in a bicycle. No, it's over. It's over. Yeah. I don't own this shit.